This video is sponsored by Devine Design. 99 rupees for graphic design. 999 rupees for the website. For more details, call to this number or contact via email. Hey there. I'm Mohammed Mafez PR from Tech Crimson. Today I'm gonna show you 26 awesome Python projects with source code. Before starting, punch the like button below and subscribe to Tech Crimson YouTube channel. Beginner projects. 1. PNG to JPG. 2. Rock paper scissors game. 3. Text to speech. 4. Translator. 5. URL shortener. 6. YouTube video downloader. Projects with GUI. 7. Browser. 8. Notes app. 9. Python IDE. 10. Screen recorder. 11. Typing speed test. Automation projects. 12. Automating WhatsApp. 13. Renaming bulk files. 14. Udemy course enroller. 15. YouTube views bot. Machine learning projects. 16. Background changer. 17. Detect face in blur. 18. Gender detector. 19. Image to drawing. Advanced projects. 20. Black and white to color. 21. Chatbot. 22. Instagram bot. 23. Library management system. 24. Image to text. 25. Plagiarism finder. 26. Virtual assistant. Source code for all projects in description. Thank you for watching.